Hello everyone, welcome to SymmetryIndicators.com. We have now partnered with NinjaTrader and AMP Futures to provide a Zenfire feed for NinjaTrader using our proprietary indicators for the futures market, for the currency market, and also individual stocks. What you're going to find, we have a live day trading room that we have had open the last 2 years where we concentrate on the Euro currency, the British Pound currency, the Aussie currency, the Pound Yen Forex, and also the S&P 500 futures. This is a live trade that we've done in a room this morning on the Euro currency, and I'll go over with you how the symmetry dots for NinjaTrader and also our triangle indicator and also our live day trading room can really benefit you greatly. Let's go over the indicator first since you're on our website. The indicator is strictly based on price action. Price action dictates the flow of the market, the order flow, and typically 95%, and it's a fact, 95% of traders, new traders that come in the market, they typically fail. And a lot of the reason why they fail is they're typically counter-trend trading the market consistently over and over and over again. The dots, what they allow you to do is not only catch swing highs and swing lows in any market that you trade, but what I've found over the last 20 years, they allow you to not counter-trend trade the market but get into the flow of the market. In other words, if a market is setting a higher low, you'd want to be buying dips in an uptrend. If a market is setting a lower high, you'd be wanting to buy or sell rallies and downtrends. And typically a lot of traders, they try to catch the falling knife, or they run in front of a runaway train and they get ran over in the market. The beautiful thing about the symmetry dots, this allows you to be with the tone of the institutions. The institutions, they like to buy higher lows, they like to sell lower highs. Now you can't just take a blank chart and try to find swing highs, swing lows, because you do not know the pivot points, the exact pivot points, with many different calculations out there, which is a swing high or swing low, and then is the market setting a higher low or lower high. Our indicator does that for you. Okay. We also have another indicator. It's called the triangle indicator. This allows you to know when a big squeeze in the market is going to come, and you will see a big explosion in price, down or up, when it's in line with the symmetry dots. So let's first go over what we did this morning in the live day trading room. Remember, we have partnered with AMP Trading. So if you do come in our live day trading room, which I'll give you the link in a second, okay, we will get you the Ninja platform, okay, for free, and then for a demo basis. And then also we will get you with AMP Trading, and they'll get you the fastest order fill possible, Zenfire for Ninja. It's unbelievable. It's really fast. So all customers or clients that actually come in that want to view the room, the live day trading room, we do have a 3-day free trial. We'd love for you to come in, and we'll get you a Ninja platform with AMP Trading, with Zenfire, and you can see how you can benefit from trading the currencies, S&P 500, like we do every single day. Now, the other indicator that we have for sale, actually to purchase, is a beautiful indicator right here. It's right here. This is our news indicator, okay? Our news indicator, you can make it come out 30 minutes before the news comes out, make it come out half an hour before the news comes out, 2 hours before the news comes out. In other words, the Euro currency, we had PPI this morning, right? PPI 12:30 p.m. UTC. In other words, I'm Eastern Standard Time right now. That's 8:30 Eastern Standard Time, okay? So we knew the news was coming out. Why is this beneficial for you as a Ninja, for Ninja? Because when you are trading the currency market, the Ninja platform, the cool thing about this indicator is, let's say you're trading at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, like the British Pound yesterday, or the EC yesterday at 5 p.m. when news came out on the BP or EC. Those were 50-tick moves that happened in the EC and also the British Pound, and it's 5:30 and 4:30 in the morning. This news indicator automatically pops up for you, telling you what news is coming out, when it's coming out, so you're not long or short a position, and you can get ready to do a straddle. I'll show you how to straddle the market when you come into my live day trading room. In other words, you can get straddle above and below the market before a news event, before news comes out. You can put a 10 pip stop on how I show you how to do it. The most you risk is 10 pips or ticks, and I'll show you how you can do that. And then also, the news is very relevant if you're long or short a position also. So this is an indicator that also is available for Ninja, and that is our news indicator. It automatically pops up for you, and I have it popping up 20 minutes before news comes out, but you can do it 30 minutes, etc. It worked on the Aussie last night when they had economic news came out on the Aussie. It fell in our live day trading room because it runs 23 out of 24 hours a day. Some of my traders got over 60 ticks with no heat on the CME. If you are a Forex trader, it works the same way. But let's go over this setup. My dots, the market was falling this morning on 616 on the euro, right before the news came out. This is our news indicator that popped up saying, hey, get ready right here 20 minutes beforehand. Get ready, like right here, news is going to come out on PPI. Now, PPI is not a really strong number, but it does affect the market. Preferably, I like non-farm payrolls, which I go over in the room, and GDP, etc. But it's one of my numbers, and obviously, non-farm payrolls number 1, the Fed number 2, and then you got the PPI, CPI, etc. This news indicator lets you know to get flat in the market right before the news announcement and get ready right after the news announcement. Now, news pops out. Our dots call the low of the move. A whole candle close, straddle, cannot break down, then a whole candle close above. This told us to get ready for a move up. Because see what the market was doing with my symmetry dots, notice what the market was doing. The market was setting a series of lower highs in my purple dots. The market was in a downtrend coming in, right? It's trying to get the public, taking their stops, right? Trying to get the public out. Look at the dots, lower highs, right? So as it's setting lower highs, you know that once it found a bottom and you break out of this lower high, that the market's going to get ready to go. There was my buy signal in my trading room, right there this morning, okay? Our long was 22.89. Look at the symmetry dots called the low. Then it broke out of the high of my symmetry dot lower highs. Now look what the market's starting to do. Setting higher lows. Now we're with the symmetry of the market. I got long in my day trading room at 22.89. My stop loss is right below the swing low, 22.85. I took no heat on the trade. Now watch this develop. Gorgeous trade. Now we're in a live trade again right now. Now once you get into these symmetry dots or setting higher lows, the beautiful thing about trading the currency market or the stocks or the Forex market, if you know how to take risk out of the market, you're going to be golden, right? Once you get up to my next symmetry dots, we scale. We scaled at 23.15 from 22.89. 22.89 entry, 23.15, now we're scaled. Now I tell my traders, put a free trade on, put your stop loss at break even right here, and let's go up. Look at the market explode. 22.89 long. Look at this. Look at this. 22.89 long. Look at this. All right. Look how it. Now you scaled here. Look at your next scale. We have a doji. I teach a doji and hammer. That's my two most important candlestick patterns that happen on my dots. The doji happens right at the high. Traders exit right there. 23.35. Exit. All right. I told everybody to get out right here with their free position at 23.20. All right. Look at that push. Look at that push we got with the symmetry dots and my live day trading room. We called the low in the euro again today. The news told us that we're going to get a big push. All right. There it was, 22.89. Scale in the symmetry dots, setting higher lows. We're good to go. Off to the races. Bam, right there also. Now, if you go to daytradingthefutures.com, that's our other website, okay? Daytradingthefutures.com, that's where you're going to learn the methodologies. Just hit Get Started, and you'll learn our methodologies under Get Started, okay? Get Started. You'll read those 3 PDFs before you come in my live 3-day trading room, or you can buy the symmetry indicators right now and from our website to get going if you don't want to come into a live day trading room. All right? Ninja is a preferred trading platform. Okay, we have partnered with AMP Trading. We'll get you a free Ninja platform. When you come into daytradingthefutures.com, we'll get you a free Ninja platform with AMP Futures. They have Zenfire. It's the fastest fill you'll get possible. No other fills out there like it. Zenfire Ninja. It's perfect. Now we got long again. Right here. We got out right here. We got back long. Check this out. 23.28. We got long. We scaled out of the free trade right there. 23.41. Right now we're in a free trade. Look at this. Still ticking. All right. That's how we do it in my live day trading room. All right. If you want the indicator or the triangle, there, just hit buy now. And if you want to come in the live day trading room, go to daytradingthefutures.com, and you will see how you can benefit with Ninja, Trader, with Zenfire, and daytradingthefutures.com and symmetry indicators. Take care.